Hi friends, this is Yeti Roadie 15. So I have this does not come with a lockport, but there's a coupon which you get inside the Yeti Roadie, which tells that you can order a lockport. Unfortunately, I bought like Roadie 60 wheeler. I forgot to order, and recently when I bought the smaller one, I came to know that you can order the free lockport, which is very helpful because if you want to lock, you can lock. So I got one for this one, but that one was the old one. I lost the coupon, so I reached out to Yeti customer support. They were very helpful. They sent me a spare one for the other cooler. So I already put this on the Yeti. So if you see here, I already installed this. So you can see here, this is how it looks like. And this you can lock and you can put a lock. So it comes with this pack, and you need a Phillips screwdriver. So you need to keep Yeti on top of side. The one will go on the lid, another one, the thicker one will go on the lid, and this one will go on the base. And it says here also, if you look at this, it says base side as well as lid side. So, and there's a small instructions which you can follow and do that. You don't need to put any pressure on this, but what I noticed was one of the screw on the base was not getting like on properly. So what I did is, like, I switched the screw. So I put the screw on the top and I used the other one there, so I was able to successfully install it. It's very easy. So I would say definitely it's usually like a $30 lockport, but if you buy this cooler, there will be a coupon which will be inside the box. You can order whenever it is available, and then you can get it free and install and secure your Yeti Roadie. Thanks for watching. I just made the video just to show so that we know it's easy to install and what it comes with.